Good morning. I would like for you to start checking your work to be sure it is all in. Check skyward. It will be marked missing with a 0 or you will have a grade, period. If you have turned something in and you did not put it into Google Classroom, please email me that you have put it somewhere else or attach it to the email. I only look at Google Classroom when I do these because that's where I tell you to put it, unless you tell me, hey, I had problems uploading it or getting it into Google Classroom, then I'll look somewhere else. Please make sure your work is in for this week. Check missing work and get it in. Look at your grades in Skyward and make sure they are complete because, as you know, the end is coming soon and the grade will be what you have turned in. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day.